Yo, what is going on, TC Mafia? Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. From the title of the video, you should already know what we're about to talk about. We're going to talk about how to make this money. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has reached... Oh, my laptop about to die. Bitcoin has reached its all-time peak again. Now, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys just so we can all confirm. So, Bitcoin price. Bitcoin right now is at 68,700. 68,700. Now speaking, because previously Bitcoin was dropping, like a little shy under October the 20th. It was dropping. It was at 56K. Now the peak it hit was 66. Let's see. 66.17. 66. So, with that being said, this is my theory on the whole Bitcoin. What should I put in? Because when you're in crypto, when you're in stocks in general, a lot of emotions get involved. With this, you have to be emotionless. So, with that being said, a lot of people are thinking like, should I hold until it drops, or should I put in? What should I do? Now, it's your money, so you do what you want to do. Do your research. Understand what Bitcoin is. Understand that Bitcoin is here for the taking. Understand that Bitcoin is the superior crypto. Understand that. Bitcoin is going to be here. So, it's going to hit $70,000. It's going to hit 70K and here very soon. Now that it's doing all this talk about, since it's 68K, you have to look at the patterns. You have to look at chart patterns. Let me log in. Let me log into my Coinbase now. And also Coinbase. Trade with Coinbase. It's the best platform to trade with. Use Coinbase. Don't use Robinhood unless it's your last resort. Use Coinbase. Create your Coinbase account. Is free. Yes, they take out fees. Of course, everyone got to get paid. Everyone got to eat. If you eat, they got to eat. Everybody got to eat. So, use Coinbase. It's just professional. If you're in trade stocks, use TD Ameritrade. We're going to get into that in another video, though. Let me sign into my Coinbase account. Boom. How y'all day been going, though? Everything's been going good. I hope y'all been productive. I hope y'all been staying out the way. I hope y'all been focused on yourselves and really focused on what y'all want to do in this life. I told y'all I'm gonna come at y'all with some cryptos, with some information as a whole. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I can't log into my Coinbase. I don't understand why can't I log into my Coinbase. I would reset it, but yeah, so a lot of people are asking, should I hold it? Should I sell? Should I buy right now? Now, a lot of people say buy on the dip, but let me tell you, if we pass that 70K mark, because a lot of people are taking out right now. A lot of people taking out. That's why things dip. People take out. A lot of people got their profits already, so things just clear out. So, with that being said, a lot of people, they feel that they need to pull out right now. If you got your money, pull out. But a lot of people don't want to stay in. So, the best time to put your money in right now, I'd say really pay attention to the charts. Understand the pattern that is going through. Yes, you can put in right now. You can definitely put in right now. But be aware of the risk that you're taking. Be aware of the risk that you're taking if you put it on the dip, because it may go even lower than you expected. Just be aware in general, because when you're dealing with things like this is dealing with money. This is dealing with profits, and crypto is the greatest way, especially Bitcoin. The more you put in, the more you gain. That's the risk. That's the dice you're rolling. The more you put in, the more you gain. If you want to go all in, you put in, but at your own risk. So right now, what I'm really trying to say is, my theory is Bitcoin is at 68 right now, right? Yes, Bitcoin is at 68 right now. Ethereum hit its all-time high as well. And we're going to talk about that in another video. Ethereum hit its all-time high as well. So, with that being said, you don't know. You're not sure of what's going to happen because look at this. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Do you see the spike? Boom. You see the spike? Look how it was. That's when it was down very low. And this was all today. Yeah, today. Look at that spike. So, with that being said, you don't know if this is going to be its all-time. This might be the medium for it. So this might be that drop point. It might spike even higher, 75K. And if you put your money in right now, it spikes to 75K and it goes down to 68K. That's the medium. That's the medium in the crypto. So that means it's not really going to go below that. That's where it is. Because eventually, Bitcoin is going to hit 100K. And a lot of people say, oh, it's too late to get into it. No, it's not too late to get in. It's just now starting. Because let me tell you. Let me show you where it was a year ago. A year ago. Last year, November the 10th, Bitcoin was at 15K. See that? 15K. Bitcoin was at 15K last year. November the 10th, 4 p.m. Now today it's at 68. From that should just let you know where we should stand with Bitcoin. That should just let you know it's an ascending crypto. It's here to stay. Bitcoin is huge. It's huge. Now, if you don't understand what Bitcoin is, let's look at it together. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administration that can be sent from user to user on peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need of intermediaries. Yes, intermediaries. I don't know that word, but Bitcoin is basically a bank. We're going to put it at that. Crypto is going to be the new bank. Understand that. These Coinbase websites, we will trade, all the trading websites, these are going to be the new banks. It's going to be the way to hold currency because your money is constantly growing and you can always pull out. You have wallets. They have something called wallets. That's the new bank. You don't have to have other people watching over your stuff. You do it yourself. That's the way to go. Think about it. Do your research. Bitcoin is huge. The market cap is 1.149 trillion. That's how big Bitcoin is. People become let's look. Man, Bitcoin will make you a millionaire if you hold on tight to it. Remember this video. Remember, I told you. How many millionaires did Bitcoin make? There are over 100,000 people that have at least 1 million or more stashed in Bitcoin, according to the cryptocurrency data tracking firms. That figure is up to just 25,000 Bitcoin millionaires 4 months ago. A year ago, there were only 15,000 millionaires in Bitcoin. a year ago. A year ago. Bitcoin, next thing you know, by next year, it's going to be over 300,000 millionaires from Bitcoin. Now, keep that word. Bitcoin is here. It's here to stay. It's at its all-time high. And this is it's over 348.1% in the past year. It's doing amazing numbers. Like I said, if you want to put in right now, put in. If you don't want to put in, keep track of time. Keep track. The typical hold time is 76 days for Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin market fluctuates. But when you hold it, you understand that you're in it for the long haul. You're in it for the long haul. You can't be emotional. When you're in crypto, do not be emotional. Understand that this is your money, but understand that this is your investment. This is your investment. This is your chance. This is your chance at a new gateway. So, the trading activity, 61% of people buy, 39% of people sell. The popularity in crypto, it's number one. It's number one. 1.3 trillion market cap. The volume last 24 hours, 39 billion. And that's down negative 10%. Now, let me leave y'all with one more thing. Let's see something. Today is a very special day for Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin hits new record above 69 after inflation surges to 30-year peak. Bitcoin is here. The new high is 39, huh? Let's see something. Yeah. Let's go. It's here. It's here to stay. And it doesn't cost nothing. Put in $1. Put in something. Put in 100. This is what you do. If you work, if you have income coming in, put in a percentage of your income in investing. Over time, it will grow. Right now, it might look small, but over time, it will grow. So even $50, $50 a week, $50 a month, $50, $100 a week. Stack it up. 10 weeks, that's 1,000. Another 10, that's 2,000. Now, over time, it's going to grow. And like I said, that's your bank. That's your savings. So you're putting that in. You can put a percentage in of that which you make. So you don't have to go all in if you don't want to. Just know you're protected. Create you a Coinbase account and start today. Do your research and start. Do your research. Don't just hop in because of trends. Do your research. The great Warren Buffett said, I'm gonna leave y'all off with this. He said he doesn't follow trends. When people hop in, you know it's only there for the short haul, but he's in there for the long run. So you have to think for the future. Think about the future. Think innovatively. So with that being said, choose Bitcoin. Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin has been here to stay for the past, even 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Bitcoin has been here to stay. 8 years ago, there was a guy that put in $1. He told everyone to put in $1 8 years ago. He's a multi-millionaire now. He told you. Now he walks around wearing a shirt saying, I told you. Don't be left out. I told you.